Language translation has been greatly transformed by AI, revolutionizing the way we communicate across different cultures and languages. AI-powered language translation systems have made significant advancements in accuracy, speed, and versatility, enabling seamless and effective multilingual communication. AI-driven language translation leverages sophisticated algorithms, neural networks, and deep learning techniques to analyze and understand the nuances of languages. These systems learn from vast amounts of training data, including translated texts, parallel corpora, and language resources, enabling them to generate high-quality translations. One of the key advantages of AI-powered language translation is its ability to handle complex linguistic structures, idiomatic expressions, and contextual nuances. Neural machine translation models, such as the transformer architecture, have proven to be highly effective in capturing the meaning and fluency of translated texts, resulting in more natural and accurate translations. AI also enables real-time language translation, allowing individuals to communicate and understand each other in different languages instantly. This is particularly useful in various scenarios, such as international conferences, business meetings, and travel, where real-time communication is crucial. Moreover, AI-powered language translation systems continually improve through feedback loops and user interactions. By analyzing user feedback and preferences, these systems can adapt and refine their translation models, leading to continuous enhancements in translation quality and user satisfaction. AI has also paved the way for innovative applications in language translation, such as the integration of translation services into mobile apps, websites, and voice assistants. These integrations make language translation more accessible and convenient, breaking down language barriers and fostering global connectivity. However, challenges remain in the field of AI-driven language translation. Translating complex and domain-specific texts, maintaining consistent terminology, and preserving cultural nuances can still pose difficulties. Ongoing research and development in the field of AI are focused on addressing these challenges and further improving the accuracy and capabilities of language translation systems. In our upcoming videos, we will explore advanced techniques in AI-powered language translation, including neural machine translation, transfer learning, and multilingual models. We will also discuss the impact of AI on cross-cultural communication and language preservation. Stay tuned to our channel for insightful discussions and updates on AI and language translation.